Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi. Stay safe, learn Excel under 2 minutes. Today I have a challenge in here sent by one of the engineers who work on power lines, and they want to calculate the number of hours each time their lines go off. So they have 5 lines and they record the times it goes off and the time is restored. Now they want to calculate the hours, that's the hours of outages. Simply we'll use just the subtraction to really do, or the minus sign to really calculate the hours. So all that we'll do is that equal to the restore time minus the time the power goes off. So that will give us a fraction. So this are represented in days. So to change it into hours, we'll just multiply that by 24. Because we have 24 hours in a day, so times 24. Use Control Enter. Voila. What it means is that for the first one we have the power went off 1 hour, the second one 1 hour or 1.75 hours, that's 1 hour 45 minutes or 15 minutes. You can see that there are situations where we have a negative, so it becomes very difficult when we are running from a PM time to the following day, which is a PM time. It means we get a negative. How can we solve such a situation? We'll use the mod function in Excel to solve that. So to do that, we introduce the equal sign mod. So we say restore. So what it means is that the restore time minus the time off, comma. So that's the number. The divisor we use 1. Then we close our parenthesis. Then we enter. So you'll see that we have the 0.24. Simply you can go use F2 to go into the edit mode and just multiply it by 24. So when we do that, we can just drag, and you will notice that where we had the negative has now been restored. What it means is that from 3:55 p.m. to the following day 1 to 1:22 p.m. the time was really 21 hours or 21.45 hours. Thank you very much, and continue to follow us on this channel, Fred Excel. Bye bye.